Your Excellency, I would once again like to highlight the role of Field Marshal Asim Munir for his outstanding contribution which led to this ceasefire and signing of this MOU by your good self, by President Trump, and Pakistan as a mediator. He has toiled and worked untiringly through the nights, through those dark days, with one mission, that come what may, we will do everything humanly possible to stop this war, which can burn vast swath of land and devastate everything. So I think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been extremely merciful and infinitely kind upon all of us, that through our joint efforts we have